I've seen the same thing happen countless times. August arrives, and anglers start saying the fish have disappeared. Bites become few and far between, and the ground bait that worked all summer suddenly stops producing. But there's a simple solution, and it doesn't require expensive mixes or trendy additives. For years, I've prepared one special powder before my August fishing trips, using only a few common ingredients. Most anglers have never heard of it, yet it can make a noticeable difference when the bite gets tough. I've arrived at the lake as late as 1 p.m., a time many anglers consider almost useless, and still had steady action until evening. Meanwhile, the fishermen around me couldn't understand why their spots were quiet while I kept catching fish one after another. The best part is that this mixture costs next to nothing and takes only a few minutes to make. I'll show you the entire process step by step so you can easily prepare it at home and test it on your next August fishing trip. This powder has saved many of my late summer sessions. I recently spent an entire week targeting bream, and before that I fished almost every day for crucian carp. The additive performed equally well for both species. Sometimes the difference between a slow day and non-stop action really does come down to one small ingredient. But there's an important detail in this recipe that most anglers never consider, and I'll explain it as we go. One quick request: if this mixture helps you catch plenty of fish, please keep only what your family needs and release the rest. That way, our waters will stay productive for years to come. Tomorrow I'm heading back to the lake with this powder, and I plan to mix it directly into my ground bait and film a separate video showing how it performs under real fishing conditions. And there's one funny little detail about that trip, but I'll get to that in a moment. Once the fish start biting, a quiet day on the water usually doesn't stay quiet for long. Catch a few good fish within an hour or two, and nearby anglers will begin stopping by with questions. What bait are you using? What did you add to your ground bait? What rig are you fishing, and how far out is your spot? If you enjoy peace and quiet, choose a place a little farther away from everyone else. Trust me, your fishing trip will be much more relaxing. I'd love to fish remote lakes and quiet rivers every time, but that isn't always possible. Most days, I'm on public ponds or small rivers where plenty of anglers show up early. Once you start getting regular bites, it's almost impossible to hide your results. So now let's get to the most interesting part: what goes into this powder and how to prepare it correctly. I strongly recommend testing this recipe in August, because sometimes the simplest homemade solutions outperform expensive store-bought additives. I'll show you the exact mixture I've been making for years. There are no rare ingredients or complicated techniques, so any angler can prepare it at home. The only important rule is to follow the proportions carefully. Start with one full packet of vanillin, about 1.5 grams, and pour it into a container. Don't add more, this amount is enough. Later, I'll explain exactly how much of the finished powder to mix into your ground bait. Next, add about half a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. It gives the mixture a warm, sweet scent that works especially well in warmer water. Then add 1 tablespoon of regular mustard powder, the same inexpensive kind sold in almost any grocery store. It has become one of my favorite ingredients for targeting crucian carp. Now only one final ingredient remains. The one that brings all these scents together and turns this simple blend into a highly effective fish attractant. Add about 5 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder to the other ingredients and mix everything thoroughly until the color and texture are completely even. Transfer the finished powder to a sealed bag, jar, or any airtight container. That's it, your August fishing attractant is ready. This entire batch is designed for about 2 pounds of ground bait, prepared grains, or another bait mix. At the lake, pour the powder into a small cup or container, add roughly 5 ounces of water, and stir until smooth. Then pour the liquid into your ground bait and mix thoroughly so the scent spreads evenly throughout the entire batch. You could add the powder directly, but mixing it with water first helps distribute all the ingredients much more consistently. Don't expect instant bites, the first step is building an active feeding spot. During the first 15 minutes, I usually introduce about 10 ounces of ground bait. After that, I continue fishing normally, making sure every cast delivers another small amount of bait in the feeder. This is especially important when the bite is slow. Many anglers begin using less ground bait on difficult days, but that's often when a steady supply is needed most. Try a simple experiment: make one cast with only a sinker or an empty feeder, then make the next cast with fresh ground bait. Quite often, the empty cast produces nothing, while the baited feeder gets a response almost immediately. In my experience, this additive does more than improve the scent, it helps stimulate feeding activity and keeps fish around the spot longer. If you test this recipe, share your results in the comments. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more proven fishing recipes and practical tips.